Search here papmall.com and click sign up for Papmall account. Name, email, password, confirm password, phone number, communication channel, please fulfill here. Then click sign up now. Please open Google Chrome new tab and check your email inbox. Copy OTP code and paste here OTP code, then click verify. Click become a seller. Again click become a seller. Click continue and click continue. Please submit here profile photo. Select upload image, JPG, JPEG, PNG and image size 80 and 80 pixel. Full name should be fulfilled as per identity card and type here profile description. Then please upload here your identity card, front side and back side. Click continue. Click service. Then submit here Papmall account, seller service category information and skill information. Click here and click continue. Other account link up here and click finish. Seller information will be approved after 13 days. Click become a seller. Again click become a seller. Now successfully create Papmall account. My account successfully approved after 10 hours.